Hello people, this is Robert Doe and welcome to Math Robertory. This is a YouTube channel created newly for people who have a problem with the use of the calculator. The calculator is a very good machine in our hand and it's a powerful tool, that's what I'll call it, because it can perform any computation that we as humans find very difficult to do. I believe this is very general and knowledge that we all need to get, but most people find it difficult to use a calculator, especially when it is needed the most. So let's look at the example where people try to giraffe. Just look at somebody's wrong answer. But the calculator is right in our hands when we can use it for the best of computations ever. Now, this calculator is going to help us with all the confusing stuff that we find. Clicking the mode button, we can see the first button, the first field named COMP, which stands for computation. That's the general computation that will be carrying out within the calculator. 2, the field 2 stands for the complex number computations. This is when we'll be using statistics, and then will be the number 4 is the base. That's the number basis and those kind of stuff. The number 5 is for equations, that's those quadratic equations, cubic, polynomial functions, and those stuff. And we have the matrices, that's my favorite part. And then the table and then the vectors. So this button is what we are going to be using most of the times. But please get conversant with all these buttons here because we're going to be using all of them. The shifts and then the alpha, those constants in there. Now behind the calculator cover there are some constants that will be making use of all of them. So this is just the introductory video, so stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share to all your friends. Thank you, and my name still remains Roberto. Welcome once again to the Math Robertory.